Hello dear students. So let us discuss about the applications of valence bond theory. So under that, let us discuss about the geometry and magnetic property of hexafluorocobalt 3 ion. So that is COF6 3 plus. So here the cobalt is the central metal ion. So fluorine are the ligand. So there are 6 fluorine ligands. Okay, so let us discuss its geometry and its magnetic property. So the electronic configuration. So the electronic configuration of the cobalt metal. So its atomic number is 27. Its outermost electronic configuration is AR 3D7 4s2. So let us write its box representation. So this is 3D orbital. So after 3D we have 4s. Then so we have empty 4p orbital. So after empty 4p orbital, so we have empty 4d orbital. So in case of cobalt, so there are 7 electrons in the 3d orbital, 2 electrons in the 4s orbital. So let us fill the electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 electrons in the 3d orbital and 2 electrons in the 4s orbital. Okay, so in this complex, so the cobalt is in +3 oxidation state. So therefore, the electronic configuration of CO3 plus. So that means, so the cobalt atom forms the cobalt 3 plus ion when it loses 3 electrons. So now after losing 3 electrons, so the atomic number of CO3 plus becomes 24. Okay, and its electronic configuration will be AR. So it loses 2 electrons from the 4s orbital and 1 electron from the 3d orbital. So when it loses 1 electron from the 3d orbital, so it becomes 3d 6, and it loses both the electrons from the 4s orbital, therefore 4s 0. Okay, so now let us write its box representation. So 3d, so this is 4s, so this is 4p, and then this is empty 4d orbital. So now we have 6 electrons in the 3d orbital. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there is no electrons in the 4s orbital. Okay, so now in presence of the fluorine ligands, okay, so this fluorine is a weak ligand. So it's a weak ligand. Okay, so therefore these unpaired electrons do not undergo pairing. So these unpaired electrons will undergo pairing only when a strong ligand approaches the central metal ion. So here in this complex, so we have fluorine as a ligand. So it's a weak ligand. So therefore no pairing occurs in the cobalt ion. So now the electronic configuration. So let us write for the cobalt ion in the presence of the fluorine ligands. So 3d, 4s, so this is 4p, and this is 4d. Okay, so there are 6 electrons in the cobalt ion. So now there are six ligands. There are six ligands in the complex ion. Each ligand donates a pair of electrons. So therefore six fluorine ligands donate six pairs of electrons. So now this cobalt 3 plus ion should provide six vacant orbitals for the ligands to donate the electron pairs. So according to the theory, valence bond theory, so the ligands will donate the electron pairs. So the central metal atom or ion should provide the vacant orbitals. So six fluorine ligands will donate six pairs of electrons. So therefore the cobalt 3 plus ion should provide six vacant orbitals. So that is, so this cobalt 3 plus ion will provide six orbitals: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 4s 1 orbital, 4p 3 orbitals, and 4d 2 orbitals. Okay, so that means 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, and 2 d orbitals. So therefore total 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 vacant orbitals will be provided to the fluorine atom, fluorine ligands. So now these six vacant orbitals will undergo hybridization. Hybridization. So now the electronic configuration of the cobalt 3 plus ion, when these six vacant orbitals undergo hybridization. So that is, so this is 3D. So it has six electrons in its orbitals. Now these six orbitals will undergo hybridization. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these orbitals are sp3 d2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, so now after, out of these 5 d orbitals, 2 orbitals are involved in the hybridization. So therefore now the 4d orbital is left with 3 vacant orbitals. So now these hybrid orbitals are available for the fluorine ligands to donate the electron pair. Okay, so now the six fluorine ligands will donate six electron pairs. So those six electron pairs will going to occupy these six hybrid orbitals. So now the electronic configuration of the complex, so that is CO F6 3 minus, COF6 3 minus, so that is AR. So there are, so this is 3D. So this is sp3 d2, and these are mt5d orbitals. So there are six electrons in the 3D orbital. So now the electron pairs donated by the fluorine ligand will occupy these six hybrid orbitals: one pair, two pairs, three pairs, four pairs, five pairs, and six pairs. Okay, so here the six pairs of electrons from six fluorine ligands. Okay, so here you can observe that here, so this is inner nd orbital, nd. So this is outer orbital, this is outer orbital. Okay, so during the hybridization, so according to the valence bond theory, if the outer nd orbitals are involved in the hybridization, so this is outer 4d orbital, so this is inner 3d orbital. So in the hybridization of the cobalt, so the outer 4d orbitals are involved, so these two orbitals are involved. Okay, so therefore this complex is called as the outer orbital complex. So outer orbital complex, or it can also be called as the high spin complex. High spin complex. Okay. So next, let us see its geometry. So there are six hybrid orbitals. So these six hybrid orbitals will be directed towards the six corners. Okay, directed towards the six corners of a octahedron. So therefore the geometry of the complex is octahedral. So the six hybrid orbitals will be directed towards the six corners of a regular octahedron. So therefore the structure of the complex is octahedral. So that is, the cobalt will be present at the center. Okay, so the six ligands, the six hybrid orbitals, so this is the geometry of the complex fluorine atom. Okay, so this is an ion 3 minus. So this is octahedral geometry. Octahedral geometry. So now coming to the magnetic properties. Okay, so in this complex you can observe there are four unpaired electrons. So if the unpaired electrons are present, then the complex is said to be paramagnetic. So due to the presence of unpaired electrons, so the cobalt hexafluorocobalt 3 ion complex is paramagnetic. Okay, so this is about the geometry and the magnetic property of the hexafluorocobalt 3 ion.